Nakataas ang tropical cyclone wind signal sa ilang lugar bunsod ng Bagyong Tino na sa ngayon ay hindi pa nagla-landfall ayon sa Pag-asa. Batay sa 11 p.m. bulletin ng Pag-asa, signal number 4 sa extreme southeastern portion of eastern Samar, western and southern portion of Leyte at southern Leyte. Gayon din sa northern portion of Cebu, northeastern portion of Bohol, northernmost portion of Negros Oriental, northern portion of Negros Occidental, Guimaras, pati na ang Dinagat Islands, Siargao at Bukas Grande Islands. Signal number 3 naman sa southern portion of eastern Samar, southern portion of Samar at central portion of Leyte. Gayon din sa eastern or extreme northern at central portion of Cebu, central and eastern portions of Bohol, northern portion of Negros Oriental, central portion of Negros Occidental, Iloilo, southern portion of Capiz, central and southern portions of Antique, pati sa natitirang bahagi ng Surigao del Norte. Signal number 2 naman sa southern portion of Masbate, southern portion of Romblon, southern portion of Oriental Mindoro, southern portion of Occidental Mindoro. Gayon din sa northern portion of Palawan, central portion of eastern Samar, central portion of Samar, Biliran at Siquijor. Signal number 2 rin sa central portion of Negros Oriental, natitirang bahagi ng Leyte, Bohol, Cebu, Negros Occidental at Capiz, Aklan at Antique. Gayon din sa northern portion of Surigao del Sur, northern portion of Agusan del Sur, northern portion of Agusan del Norte at Camiguin. Habang signal number 1 sa Albay, Sorsogon, natitirang bahagi ng Masbate, Romblon, Oriental Mindoro, Occidental Mindoro, southern portion of Quezon, southern portion of Marinduque, central portion of Palawan. Signal number 1 din sa northern Samar, natitirang bahagi ng eastern Samar, Samar at Negros Oriental. At sa iba pang bahagi ng Surigao del Sur, central portion of Agusan del Sur, natitirang bahagi ng Agusan del Norte, Misamis Oriental, northern portion of Bukidnon, northern portion of Misamis Occidental, pati na sa northern portion of Zamboanga del Norte. Huling namataan ng Bagyong Tino sa ibabaw ng coastal waters ng Loreto, Dinagat Islands. Papalapit ito sa Dinagat Islands at Homonhon Island at inaasahang magla-landfall sa Leyte o Southern Leyte mamayang hating gabi o bukas ng madaling araw. Tatawirin ito ang Visayas at Northern Palawan hanggang sa lumabas sa West Philippine Sea sa Miyerkules ng umaga. Posibleng sa Miyerkules ng gabi o Huwebes ng umaga ito makalalabas ng Philippine Area of Responsibility.